It's in that direction? What? I thought it said to Boston. That's weird. Alright, hey everyone, Andrew here. Welcome back to another part of a video. And here's the train. You can hear that bell going. Welcome to the station, sucker. Here comes the engine, nice and smelly. This is a nice long train. I like it. I've seen longer in my time. You're taking 35 photos of this train? Dude, I heard he's snapping away. What do you think? Do you like this station better than Concord? Alright, here we go, folks. Engine right there. Nice. Yeah. Hey everyone, it's Andrew. That train, Wachusett, is not the only train running late. A lot of our schedule's messed up. Anyway, we're gonna go to the gas station, get some stuff, or someplace. Some food, and then we'll be back and catch the train to Wachusett. Awesome. Folks. Back of the railroad tracks. Another train. Why won't this focus? Look at it. I have to go to the bathroom so badly. I'm roughing this for you guys. Here we are. Nice train we got ourselves today. $10.72. I've seen that unit before. I've seen $10.72. Nice. $10.72. Massachusetts Bay Transportation Authority engine. Looking absolutely magnificent. It's about 7:04, though this thing can't. You can kind of see. It's still nice and bright, so we're going to be out here getting you some train videos. Welcome to More MBTA. Please check out morembta.com and support us on Patreon. Be greatly appreciated. Oh no, it's morembta.weebly.com. Sorry. Right. Anyway, this guy should be going. So let's hear him ramp up his engine and get out of here. Time to go. Yep. And she drags her heavy load. Bye-bye. guys. So, yep, there's the train. Nice. Hey guys, welcome back to another part of this video. You got a train.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
I've seen like almost all of these engines, if not all. Seems like they're all running on the same line, and like I'm never gonna see any actual variety. I saw Gax Laser engine at Walden Pond yesterday, but I never actually got the chance to film it. I was also at Walden Pond this morning, caught 2 nice trains, but I never got the chance to upload them, so. Or even film them. So I will do that later. I will get you some nice photos of that stuff though. I mean some nice videos. Nice. Alright folks, that might be the rail fanning we can get in for today because we have to go home. But thanks for watching another more MBTA production, and thanks for watching. See you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed that little gaming clip in the middle of the video, even if it ever got edited in. If you saw it, it worked. If it didn't, it might have not. I never got the confirmation that it worked. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later. Cameron, that was weird. All right, folks, the gates are going down there. We got a train in the way. Here we are. Yeah, I will. I'll back away as the train approaches. All right, the gates should be going any second. You can see the gates down there. All right, folks, here comes the train. Some idiot just ran the gates. He just went across the tracks when the gates were going down. Did you see that? Did anybody else see that? This is going to be part of a compilation, but it's not going to be a special video, but still. Stand back, folks. Here it comes. It's okay. Here she is. MBTA. There's another train after this in 4 minutes. We have to stay. It's in me. It's in 4 minutes. After this train, by the time this guy's pulled down, it'll be 2. You're not going to make me miss the other one. We got 2 bonus trains. 2 bonus trains at the end of the video. I didn't think I was going to catch either of these. Folks, we got something going here. Anyway. Anyway, this guy's gonna be on the run pretty soon. Bye bye. Look, next trainer was Cassett. It's departed from Concord. The next train's departed from Concord. Whoa! The couplers over there were having a party. They jammed together. I just saw that. All right, bye bye. Plug your ears, boys, if you want to. Bye-bye 2018, Unit 2018, Unit of the Year. All right.
That's so smoky.
Bye-bye.
Not even.
Yeah, the guy might have a bit of. The other train is still leaving, and the gates are going again, and we have another train. They met. A meet. Nice. Why would a mother do that? Why would someone do that? Cross the tracks with, oh, sorry, it was a man. Why would a man cross the tracks with his baby when a train was coming? That's just stupid. Horn salute for the baby. Hey, I'm over here too.
That's 2017.
Haha. 2 engines and 2017 just have 22. 2 engines including a Dash 8. Yeah. Dash 8, 2 engines. I like it. Yeah. Minor power move. Nice. 2 engines, Dash 8. Nice. Let's see when the next train is. No, there's not going to be another train for all. A Dash 8 and another unit. That is a nice catch right there, ladies and gents. Probably because one of them broke. There was an engine failure down the line. Alrighty, folks. We got a train rolling over here. 2 engines. I like it. I can see the title now. Mild Power Moves and Idiots Crossing Tracks. MBTA, July 31st, 2018. West Concord Station. It's more busy than the place I usually rail fan at. I like that power move. That makes a nice addition. In addition to idiots crossing the tracks. Okay, after this we're gonna go, okay? No, not yet. We gotta see this guy roll out of sight. We've been here this long. We can be here for a minute longer. This guy's gonna leave any second anyway. You can hear those 2 engines ramping up. Oh yeah. Bye-bye. And this concludes an awesome day rail fanning. Thank you for watching more MBTA on YouTube.com. This has been a great rail fanning day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay awesome and be sure to subscribe.